Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Kraken. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Kraken account. This process typically involves providing some personal information and completing identity checks. Once your account is ready, proceed to link a credit or debit card. Make sure the card you choose is enabled for international transactions, as this is often a requirement for crypto purchases. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. With your account verified and card linked, you can now fund your purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section within the Kraken platform. Here, you will choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, simply input the amount you wish to spend, for example, $50, or the quantity of crypto you want to buy. The system will then calculate the equivalent value. Before finalizing your purchase, it's essential to carefully review all the order details presented on your screen. This includes the cryptocurrency amount, the total cost, and any associated fees, which might be around 3.75% plus a small fixed charge. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to complete your cryptocurrency purchase. This step is vital to prevent any errors. Congratulations! After confirming your order, your newly purchased cryptocurrency will typically appear in your Kraken wallet within moments. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account if you haven't already. Kraken offers several robust security features, and familiarizing yourself with them can help protect your assets. Always prioritize the security of your digital holdings by using strong passwords and being vigilant.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.